tan square 60 degree plus 4 cos square 45 degree plus 3 secant square 30 degree plus 5 cos square 90 degree divided by cosecant 30 plus secant 60 minus cot square 30. So which is equal to, now substitution, tan square 60. So first write tan 60. Tan 60 is what? It is root 3 tan square, so root 3 whole square plus 4 cos square 45. Cos 45, how much it is? 1 by root 2. Cos square is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 secant square 30 degree. Secant 30. What is the value of secant 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 divided by root 3 whole square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant is 2 divided by root 3 plus 5 cos square 90. Cos 90 is 0. So cos square is 0 square whole divided by cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is 2 plus secant 60. Secant 60 is 2 minus cot square 30 root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square. Now simplification. So which is equal to, so here square root of 3 whole square. Square and square root cancels 3 plus 4 into, so many times we simplify. 1 by root 2 whole square means answer is 1 by 2. Right? Because 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus, so now 2 divided by root 3 whole square. So therefore 2 divided by root 3 whole square. 2 divided by root 3 whole square. How to simplify? 2 divided by root 3 into 2 divided by root 3. Right? So 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So what is the answer of 2 divided by root 3 whole square? It is 4 divided by 3. So it is 3 into 4 divided by 3 plus 0 square. Don't simplify 5 into 0. Okay, that is wrong. Don't simplify 3 into 6 whole square. That is wrong. First simplify this one. So now we are first simplify 0 square. 0 square is 0. 0 into 5 is 0. Whole divided by 2 plus 2. It is equal to how much? 4 minus square root of 3 whole square. Square and square root cancels. It is 3. Right? It is 3. Now simplification, which is equal to, so 3, now 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus, so 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the answer? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Correct now? 2 ones. 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into 1 is 2. Right? So 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 4 by 3. How to simplify? 3 into 4 by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. So what is left here? 4. That is plus 4 plus 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So how much here? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Divided by 1 means it is equal to 9. So what is the value of this? That is equal to 9. Important for 3 marks. So in your revision part, write the table also. Draw it again. So in your regular notes, you have written that table. Here also in revision part also, draw the table and solve those questions. Now next is, it comes complementary angle, right? So what are the formulas related to complementary angles? So first one, what is the angle? Sine 90 minus A. What is the sine 90 minus A? That is equal to A. Next second one what? Second one cot or tan 90 minus A. 90 minus A, which is equal to what? Cot A. Next third one cosecant 90 degree minus A is equal to secant A. Now next similarly we can write cos 90 minus A. So cos 90 minus A means sin A. Remember all this. Next cot 90 minus A, it is equal to tan A. Next secant 90 minus A, which is equal to cosecant A. Which is equal to cosecant A. So this is formula related to complementary angles. So once again write it in your notes in revision part. So what do you mean by complementary angle? Already you know sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then that angles are called complementary angle. So now we will see some problems related to this one. First question, sin, find out, evaluate the following. First question, sin 39 degree. Next minus cos 51 degree. Sin 39 degree minus cos 51 degree. How to identify these are the complementary angles? So now 39 degree, is it there in your trigonometry table? No. In trigonometry table, what are the values? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. There is no 39 degree. So now next to 51 degree. Is this there in your table? No, right? So that means this is not from your table. If it is not from table, use a complementary formula. Now check whether these two angles are complementary angle. So which two angles? 39 plus 51. 39 plus 51. Sum of two angles, if it is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angle, right? So 39 degree and 51. So 39 plus 51 is how much? 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. So you can use this formula. So related to given. So sin 39 cos 51. You can use a sin A or cos A. Don't use both. So either use to this one or to this one. I'll use this one, sin A. What is your sin A? Sin A is cos 90 minus this angle, that is A. So sin 39 can be written as cos 90 minus 39, right? 90 minus 39 minus this as it is, that is cos 51 degree. That is cos 51 degree. Now next cos 90 minus 39 is what? 51 degree. 90 minus 39 subtraction, it is 51 degree minus cos 51 degree. So how much it is? It is equal to cos 51 degree minus cos 51 degree, which is equal to 0. So what is the answer of sin 39 minus cos 51? That is equal to 0 and it is important for 1 mark. So now next question. Cos 80 degree divided by sin 10 degree plus cos 59 degree cosecant 31 degree. Evaluate this one. So what is the answer? So first check. So whether these angles are in your table. So 80 is not there in your table. 10 degree also not there in your table. 59 and 31 not there in your table. So now next is complementary angle. So this is one term, that is second term. So for first one see the complementary angle. 80 plus 10 is 90. So complementary angle you can use formula. Next 59 plus 31, again it is 90 degrees. So can use that formula. So first here sin and cos. Either change cos or sin. So cos 80. And apply for this one. Cos 80 means it is like cos A. So cos A is what? Sin 90 minus A. So cos 80 degree is what? Sin 90 minus, right? 90 minus 80 divided by sin 10 degree. Divided by sin 10 degree. Sin 90 minus 80 plus similar 59 and 31 are the complementary angles. So now cos and cosecant either apply to this one or this one. So cos A, I'll apply for that. Cos A is what again? Sin 90 minus A. So cos 59 can be written as sin 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59 into cosecant 31 degree. Into cosecant 31 degree. Yes, now that is equal to sin 90 minus 80 is what? Sin 10 degree divided by sin 10 degree plus sin 90 minus 59 is sin 31 degree into cosecant 31 degree. So numerator sin 30, denominator sin 30 cancels. It is equal to 1 plus, already you know this is formula, sin A into cosecant A. Sin A into cosecant A is how much? 1. So similarly sin 31 degree into cosecant 31 is 1, right? Because sin A into cosecant A formula which is equal to 1 means that is sin 31 degree into cosecant 31 degree which is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is how much? That is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Cos square 13 degree minus sin square 77. 13 not from your table. 17 also. 77 not from table. Now check whether complementary angles. 13 plus 77 that is equal to 90 degree, right? So complementary angle. But we have complementary angle for cos. But here it is cos square and sin square. See, this same can be written as cos 13 degree whole square. Both are same, right? Cos 13 degree whole square minus sin 77 degree whole square. Already I told cos square also can be written as cos whole square. Now cos 13 sin 77. Either change this one and this one or this one with respect to complementary angle. So I change this one cos A. Cos A is what? Sin 90 minus 13. 90 minus 13 whole square. Right now cos 13 I split it as sin 90 degree minus 13 minus sin how much here? 77 degree whole square. So that is equal to sin 90 minus 13 is 77 whole square. Right now 90 minus 13 is 77 square minus sin 77 degree square. 77 degree square. See, same it is. Sin 77 degree whole square minus sin 77 degree whole square. So both are same. Plus minus means answer is 0. Answer is